Hey there camper, welcome back! Today we're going to talk about vacuum cleaners and how they work. I recently met two campers named Alden and Fulton and they love vacuum cleaners. So I figured I'd show you how they work and we can learn a new skill together. Let's get started. Vacuum cleaners are machines that clean dirt and particles off the ground using a process called suction, which is best explained by talking about drinking out of a straw. When you drink out of a straw, you use suction to bring the liquid from the bottom of the straw to the top of the straw. And it's the same principle here. With a vacuum cleaner, a vacuum sucks air at the bottom, it goes all the way through the vacuum cleaner and leaves through this exhaust port right here. Let's do a demonstration, but first, safety. It's important to ask an adult first before you use a vacuum cleaner because these aren't toys and we want to be safe while using them, especially when you have to plug into an electrical outlet. We also want to stay away from the bottom of the vacuum cleaner because the moving parts in the suction can be dangerous. Let's get started. Once you plug the vacuum cleaner into the wall, you can press the on button to start. This vacuum has two settings, a lighter setting for hard floors and a harsher setting for cleaning carpets. Once you press the on button, an electrical current is sent to the motor, which starts spinning the fan inside. The suction caused by the fan spins the rotating brush, which has little bristles on it to disturb surfaces like carpet and bring hard to reach dirt particles out of the ground. If you find a place your vacuum cleaner cannot reach, you can detach the hose on the back to vacuum there. Now, as you vacuum, particles will be sucked up through the bottom, through the silver tube on the back, through the black tube, and eventually into the holding chamber. All the dirt particles will land inside, and the air will leave through a filter under the holding chamber. You'll feel a breeze as the air exits. As you vacuum, it's important to be careful and only try to vacuum small particles and objects that can fit through the bottom. If we try to vacuum an object that's too big, the vacuum can get clogged and break. We also want to avoid hitting furniture with the vacuum so we don't damage anything. Then, once you're finished vacuuming, you can detach the holding chamber, bring it over to the trash can, and dump it inside. And that's how vacuum cleaners work. There are many different kinds of vacuum cleaners. Some have cords like this one, and some don't have any at all. And some are tall like this one, and some are small and can fit into your hand. But before you use any of those vacuum cleaners, we want to remember that safety is first, and we want to ask an adult before we start any vacuum cleaner and help clean around the house. Well, thank you for coming to our camp today and learning how to use a vacuum cleaner with me. Please hurry back, and I'll see you next time.